Good morning from Torremolinos, Spain.
Greg and I are reunited after 1 week of being separated.
Yes,
so that's nice.
Happy to be back with Little Miss Sunshine, and this video is all about a life update. We've got some new gear, as well as we're going traveling, going to Madagascar, Mozambique, Lesotho, and Swaziland, and I think it's going to be awesome.
Very exciting. Let's go.
So, we are here in this beautiful place in southern Spain near Malaga, hanging out with a couple high school friends of mine that are come over for their annual vacation. And it's actually a chance for us to sort of to regroup our stuff after the month in Crete. And then I just did a 1 week assignment up in northern Spain in Costa Brava in Catalonia. But the big news is that Nellie has started her own YouTube channel.
Which some of you might have noticed,
yeah,
or
which
already watched, which is great.
Yeah,
so.
I think some of you already seen it. And if not, we will link it right there. But yeah, what's the other big news though?
The other very big news is that I have a new camera.
Boom! Brand new camera.
My very first vlogging camera is the Canon EOS M50. And you can watch my video, which I will also link below, above. I'm really excited about this camera. I'm very happy with it, and I'm explaining why I chose it and...
In German. So
of course, in
remember,
German.
If you are going to watch the video, to click on the closed caption subtitles. But yeah, that's awesome. She's got a new camera. Doesn't have to use my camera anymore, which is great. Because it's probably a little too heavy anyway. The GH5 with the gimbal is like, you hold that forever and it's really tough. What else do we have? New microphones. You got a microphone for your M50. And unfortunately my Rode video mic Go broke traveling just like 3 days ago, so I have to replace that. And then the big news is the new drone. Excuse me. New drone coming as well. I know you've seen that whole saga with with Fredo, and my drone Moto is getting replaced with a new version, getting the Mavic Pro.
It's a little sad because it was still a good drone.
Yeah, my Mavic Pro is totally fine. I've had it for maybe 7-8 months since we were in Albania. And I am now selling that. So if you're not a part of the BVS Mother Photographers Facebook group, get on that, because that is where we will sort of auction off my Moto Mavic Pro, and I think that's probably going to sell in the next couple of days. So today's Sunday, so if you're seeing this video now, be sure to go and check that out if you're interested in a very good quality Mavic Pro with 2 batteries and some filters.
With a bit of story. Yeah,
with a very long story behind it. I am selling that from here in Spain, so I'll just ship it to wherever the person lives that wants to buy it. But yeah, that's the gear update. Let's jump into the travels.
Travel.
This is exciting. So for the last couple of years, Nellie and I have tried to take off at least 2 months to backpack somewhere new. And last year we went from Cuba down to Costa Rica. And this year we wanted to go to Madagascar, Mozambique, Lesotho, Swaziland, and a bit of the South African coast along the garden route.
Yeah, which is not completely new for you though.
No, it is. I mean, I've been to South Africa before, but I haven't been to Madagascar or Mozambique. Some of you might know that in 2012 I lived in East Africa, but that was mostly Tanzania and Zambia. And then I backpacked from Uganda all the way down to South Africa, but that was through like Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, so like kind of across. Whereas this time now we're going over to Madagascar and Mozambique, which is going to be sweet. Yeah,
it's going to be really exciting. It's my first time in Africa, so I'm personally very excited to see some wildlife as well. And yeah, we'll probably go on safari somewhere at some stage. And yeah, keep doing what we do, travel all the way down to South Africa. I still have my 2 jobs, so I'm going to be working a little bit while we're traveling, so that'll be a bit of a challenge. But yeah, I'm excited. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too. I am not working as much. I'll just be creating videos for this channel. So with that comes a bit of a call to action. I'm looking for your thoughts and advice about what videos you would like to see. You know, is it wildlife specific, or like surf videos from South Africa, or diving in Mozambique and some of the amazing coastline there? I think what we're going to try and do is integrate a lot of the videography side and more technical skills and like mini tutorials into this channel while traveling, because now I'll have a lot more time without working to really focus on some of the things that you want to see. So this is the shout out to you to write in the comments below what you would be looking for more from this channel, because there are a lot of new subscribers in the last few weeks and the channel is growing. Still got the goal to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I want to try and accommodate whatever it is that you're looking for and make videos that the audience is engaged with and enjoys. So yeah, that's kind of the life update, I guess. Something very much to look forward to. We're here in Spain for only a week. Then we're going to Gibraltar for a couple days, and then we fly right down to Madagascar. So it's coming pretty soon. It is coming up very soon. I still have to buy travel insurance. Yeah, you need travel insurance. I need to get this drone situation sorted out. But yeah, we'll try and keep this one short. As always, thank you so much for watching. Comment below what you would like to see from that trip in Southeast Africa. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, definitely subscribe to Nellie's channel if you haven't done that already. And you can practice some German over there. But yeah, we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.